Today we're taking a look at another example of an AI-driven earbuds, and we're seeing more and more implementations of AI in earbuds, and intelligence are definitely coming in 2021. Today's earbuds by Taotronics uses AI to manage the background noise level of your calls, so will they be any good? Welcome to a review of the Taotronics Soundliberty 80. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Taotronics Soundliberty 80. So today's earbuds are graciously sent to me by Taotronics for review, and although these were sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. The Taotronics 80 retails for about US 80, and that's about 359 Malaysia ringgit. It's a little bit on the high side for another Airpods Alternative, but considering that we're going into the realm of AI and how Taotronics actually put in many tech into these earbuds to justify that price. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. The Soundliberty 80 is a very unique earbuds with a very bold design that might be polarizing for some users, but either you like it or you don't. Personally, it works great for me, first with that gradient color on the stem, and it's also very different from many of the typical earbuds we see today. The case is very nicely built and it's made out of very high quality rubberized finish with the Taotronics logo in the front, and below that you also get an LED indicator that tells you the battery percentage of the case. At the back of the case you also get a pairing button, and I like how Taotronics also puts in a nice metal hinge that gives the case a very high quality look. At the bottom you get a nice USB-C charging port, which is very relevant in 2021, and the case does not support wireless charging. The lid action of the Taotronics 80 is also very smooth, giving the case a very premium feel when opening them, and that hinge that we spoke about earlier also does a fantastic job holding the lid open for you to access your earbuds, and it even gives you a nice bounce when you open them. And when you're inside, unlike modern earbuds, the earbuds do not lay flat but mimic more of the Airpods style earbuds that have the stem slot into the case instead of laying flat. Pulling the earbuds out, you see that beautiful stem in that nice gradient color, and really depending on your taste, you either like it or you don't like it. And this has a very nice oil slick color, and the entire surface of that is actually the touch sensor. So flipping the earbuds over, at the bottom here you get a large microphone port at the bottom, and these microphones help with the AI noise cancelling feature of this earbud. So these earbuds however comes with a pretty mediocre 4 hours of battery life, and remember that this is using it at medium volume. So the case boosts that up to a total of 20 hours, but for many these are still pretty low numbers. I think perhaps there are many technologies running inside like the always listening Hey TT that kind of affect the battery life. So however, the good news is that these come with quick charge, so 5 minutes of charging will give you an hour of battery life, and charging the earbuds normally will take about 1.5 hours. The Taotronics 80 is a pretty modern earbuds with lots of bells and whistles to complement its price. And first of all, it comes with a Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.1 that comes supported with aptX, AAC and SBC audio codec, so it should be pretty future-proof earbuds for your collection. So these earbuds are also rated at an impressively high IPX8 water resistance, so you can throw any amount of water at it or accidentally getting it submerged with not much of a problem. Very impressive for an AirPods style earbuds with so many openings. The earbuds also support the Hey TT command, so it's always listening to you, and when you call out Hey TT, it actually activates the voice assistant in your phone so you can control anything from there. And the earbuds also provides you with a slide control mechanism, which is very rare on earbuds today. So swiping up and down on the right earbuds will control the volume, and swiping up and down on the left earbuds will let you skip tracks forwards or backwards. Not only that, the earbuds also provide you with a gyroscope that detects the motion of you taking the earbuds out from your ear and pauses the music for you. And after all of those features, you also be getting independent earbuds playback, so you can use either the left or right side earbuds anytime. It's not so seamless though, since the gyroscope will temporarily pause the audio, so just double tap again and it will continue playing your music. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. So soundstage wise, I honestly have nothing to complain about this, and it's up there as one of the best sounding AirPods alternatives we've looked at. Honestly, we need to have some expectations when it comes to AirPods Alternative, knowing that open style ear tubes will definitely leak some of that bass, but I think for that reason the Soundliberty AT actually is a really good sounding earbud. Bass on these are decently good, giving you very nice dynamism when listening to music or watching videos. Clarity, mids and highs, vocals are all very well controlled. The earbuds are also very airy, and you can hear that these are tuned to be very spatial, so using these for movies especially gives you a very nice experience, helping you identify where the plane is flying from. So the star of the show here is definitely the call quality, and they definitely don't disappoint, and the call quality on these are superb, and the AI does a really fantastic job at suppressing any background noise and makes it virtually non-existent. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Soundliberty AT is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So now I'm speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So with this version of Bluetooth 5.1, watching videos on YouTube and Netflix is really enjoyable, and there's practically no delay. Playing games, however, I still notice a very slight delay, but for casual gaming, these are still pretty enjoyable. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So since there's this gyroscope that detects whether or not the earbuds is inside my ear, I think it's better for me to control it on my ears itself. So apart from the voice control of these earbuds, Taotronics also gives you a whole range of controls that allows you to control almost everything that you need. So to play or pause music, you can either take the earbuds out from your ears, or you can double tap on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your music, just like that. So to increase the volume, swipe up on the right earbud. So let's just play the music, and we can swipe up, and you can see that the volume is increasing, and I can also swipe down on the right earbuds and it'll lower the volume. To skip tracks forward, swipe down on the left earbuds and it'll skip your tracks forward, and to skip tracks backwards, swipe up on the left earbuds and it will skip your tracks backwards. And to call your assistant, all you gotta do is say, "Hey TT," and it'll pause your music and call out your assistant, and you can ask your assistant to do anything you want there. So you can play or pause music, skip tracks, control the volume and everything else that Siri or any other assistant can do. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Taotronics Soundliberty AT. So overall, I think that this is a fantastic pair of earbuds at this price point, and with all the technologies built into it, I will say that this is the best AirPods alternative so far for 2021. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.